Hi friends, welcome to day number 23 of our live trading campaign. So today once again we are going to see the live trading of our 60 days campaign, and the quote for today is very beautiful. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Okay, so this is the reason why I was promoting positional strategies, also teaching option strategy. So there are many ways to do this. You can also start learning, you can start practicing, and then start making money in stock market. And in case if you're not aware, we have started options trading tactics. It's basically training in option strategy. So in case if you want to get more details about this, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay. So today day number 23. Let us look into our live trading campaign. The stock was Reliance, and it was giving very good trending signal. You can see the movements, very big movements in Reliance. So this is the reasons we took the breakouts. So this is for calculating the levels. So we'll be taking 0.6% as the target. This is the alarm which I keep for trading. So this is how we keep our targets, and then we keep the stop loss of 0.4%, and we got our targets in stop loss. So for a stop loss of 5, the quantity is 200. Mistakenly I placed initially as 100. I will change it. Now similarly we'll keep it for the sell side also. So sell side, the level is 1286 and 1285. Target is 7.4 and stop loss 5. Okay, so you can see that one is 200, another is 100. So then let me just change both the quantities. Yeah, so both are 200. Okay, so and then end of the day we saw that we got a profit of 1540, and it was a very good and easy trade. So let us update into our Excel sheet. Day number 23, it's Reliance, and the profit is 1540. The total sum is not adding up. Yeah, so total profit is 12,823 out of 23 trading days, almost we can say in 1 month, with a return of almost 25%. So this is how the journey of our 60-day challenge is going on. So any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. Thank you. Have a nice day.